Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to access the logdump transaction file from the CPU. To do this, your computer must be connected to the CPU through an internet connection. Once the connection is established, open your preferred web browser and enter the IP address of the controller followed by the logdump file path. So let's do this right now. Open the web browser, then type the IP address of the PLC, which is 192.168.1465, and then the path of the logdump file, which is logdump.cgi. Then press enter. After accessing the address, the file will be downloaded automatically, as you can see here. And once the download is complete, open the download file. Inside the file, you will find the CPU's log information, including system events, diagnostics, and transfer records. This log can be very useful for troubleshooting, analyzing controllers' behavior, and verifying communication or download operations that have occurred on the CPU. And that's how you can access and view the logdump transaction file from your controller. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.